Welcome. In front of me I have SUUNTO Run watch, and I'm gonna show you how to start the workout on this watch. First we need to open the workout menu. To do that, wake up the screen by pressing the Chrome button, and then press the Chrome button again to open the workout menu. Now scroll through the list of workouts, look for something you would like to start, and once you find the workout you like, tap on it. And here, before we start, we have a couple of options. We have the free training, and you can basically set up some settings like duration training, distance training, and stuff like that. You can also change the navigation, so you can turn it on or off. You can also set up the navigation target, so you can select routes and stuff like that. I'm not sure what the breadcrumb option means and the display option, but I believe it's going to basically, during the workout you will see some display. And then we have the exercise settings, and here you can change some battery modes, auto pause, post exercise HR measurements, so after you finish the exercise it will measure your heart rate and stuff like that. You can turn on or off the media player, touch screen, audio feedback. Basically you can change some settings for the workout. And once you're done, you can tap on start. It will try to get the GPS location. It won't find it here, so I'm just gonna tap or rather press the button to dismiss it, but you can wait for yours. And once the workout starts, you will see this screen. And here we have basically some info. You can scroll through it by swiping on the screen. You have a duration. You can press the upper button to pause it. You can resume it by tapping on resume. If you press the upper button again, it won't resume for some reason. Usually on different watches, basically the pause button also resumes it, but this one doesn't. And in the pause menu you have end button, so it finishes the workout. You have multi-sport, you can lock the touch screen, you can tap on options, and you can discard the workout completely, so it won't save the your info from this workout. This button basically brings you back to the info screen, and if you want to resume the workout you need to press the upper button then. Okay, so apparently it does resume the workout, but you need to back out of the menu. So that's something I didn't know, but we discovered it together. Okay, and if the workout is going and you press the lower button, it will basically make a lap. Okay, let's stop the workout and discard it. Then press the button to confirm. And that's how you start the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.